Today on Documentify TV, we are discussing what we know about the DNA studies done to investigate the ancestry of both South American natives and Alaskan natives. Is there a common ancestry from Asian origin via the land bridge theory of migration, or did South America have its own migration? This is a complex and yet relatively speculative theory. The DNA evidence of South American Aboriginals and native Aboriginal Alaskans provides intriguing insights into their ancient migrations and genetic connections. In South America, certain tribes have been found to carry genetic markers that link them to the indigenous peoples of Australasia, which includes indigenous Australians and Melanesians. This suggests that the ancestors who migrated across the Bering Land Bridge from Asia to North America carried this DNA with them. Tribes such as the Caritiana and Surui of Brazil and the Cotuna of Peru show this genetic connection. In contrast, native Aboriginal Alaskans have DNA evidence indicating that they are descendants of the first humans to settle in northwest North America over 10,000 years ago. There is a genetic continuity from those ancient times to the present, showing a long-standing presence in the region. The analysis of nuclear DNA from ancient skeletal remains has been instrumental in establishing these links. South American populations have a variety of genetic markers that reflect their complex history and prehistoric movements. There are distinct genetic structures among native South Americans, with several primary genetic clusters found across different regions such as the Amazon, savannas, Andes, and Pacific coast. There's also a pattern of genetic variation that spans from west to east, suggesting a gradual change rather than a sharp division between the Andes and Amazon areas. This pattern is influenced by a series of population reductions and geographic separation. Additionally, the genetic diversity in South America is linked to the region's linguistic and environmental variety, especially within groups that share the same language. Research into the ancestry and demographic history of South American Latinos shows a strong correlation between Native American ancestry and the country of origin, as well as the geography of local indigenous populations. When it comes to European ancestry in South American Latinos, most of it can be traced back to the Iberian Peninsula, although there's a significant number of individuals, particularly in Argentina, who have Italian ancestry. These genetic markers and variations shed light on the settlement, migration, and mixing of populations that have contributed to the genetic makeup of today's South American populations. These discoveries underscore the complex and interwoven history of human migration, revealing a shared ancestry among diverse groups across great distances. The genetic evidence continues to shed light on the intricate patterns of human history, demonstrating the interconnectedness of our past. What are your thoughts? Do you think that all of North America and South America have the same origins via the land bridge theory? Let us know in the comments. Until then, see you in our next video right here on Documentify TV.